Okay, this is kind of an old classic. This is a Paul Harris effect, and I want to show you what this looks like. Okay, so you have a card selected. Let's say it was this card right here, 5 of clubs, right? Now what I'm going to do is just shuffle that into the pack, like so. Okay, give the card some shuffles and some cuts. And if I wind up the deck like this, you can get one card that can reveal itself. Watch. There it is. Your card. 5 of clubs. Now it's the card that can't stand still. See, if I put the card in the middle, going in the right direction, it comes out sideways like this. Okay, and I show 5 of clubs is sideways, and it goes in the right way, it comes out the wrong way, just like so. So I'm going to teach you this. This is a really fun effect. Paul Harris' Sidewinder. I usually combine it with like an ambitious card type of effect, which I'll show in another video. But you start off, you have a card selected, okay? Let's say it was a 5 of clubs. As soon as they touch a card, you're basically going to bring up a double here that you're going to hold like this. So you have the double lift. As you come down, your left ring finger is going to act like a table, and you're going to do the model of convincing control, okay? So you're here, fingers pull that back, and you're going to Hofzinser that to the bottom. Okay. Now, you have them push it in, and then you shuffle the pack. It's really on the bottom. You're going to spread over the deck, say it's someplace in the pack. If I program the deck, and then you wind up the deck to do the winding gag, and then as you square, you get a break on the bottom 3 cards. Okay, there are cards on the bottom. Then after you do the wind-up gag, you make us transfer the break to your thumb, do a swing cut, come over, and you don't let them see this, so you're going to kind of cut the deck here. So it's actually in sideways, but you're going to block that with the biddle grip. Okay, so you have the triple here. They're not going to know anything, it just looks like you're cutting the deck and stuff. And then what I do is I use the pinky to jut this forward, so I go boom to produce the first one. That's a triple there. As you display it as a triple, display it as a single, it's a triple there. You're then going to bring this in, you push it in like this, and then you've got it so it's over here, right? You want to square everything up, and you bring it like this so that it's in this position with the double behind this card here. So right when you push it in, and it'll be visually, it'll look like it just turned sideways. It's really visual, really cool effect. This is the Sidewinder. You then repeat that. There's a double there. You repeat that action. So what you're doing is you're going like this, exposed view. Okay, so the card is in sideways. They think it's going in the right way, and then you very carefully just push this in and just kind of give it a shake, and then it visually changes sideways. And then you can end with like a card to mouth. The way you do that is get a break, do the up and up move, which is here, you're dropping a card, make a fan, then you push that in the fan, you say push that in. As you go forward, you bring this one with your thumb this way and load it in your mouth under misdirection. Okay, so you can end with the card to mouth. That's a Paul Harris effect. That's a classic. I usually use it with like an ambitious card. It's very different, very cool, so enjoy that.